Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. This is Wakey Two Wheels. I hope you're all having a great day today. You join me on a lovely sunny day, which is unexpected. It forecasted rain all day today. I saw the sun come out and I thought, sod it, I'm going to grab the bike keys. So today we are going back down to Squires. And why, you ask? Well, today is the start of the September show. And apparently they're brilliant things to go to. I've never actually been to them. So that's where we're going today. So what we'll do as usual is we'll roll the music. We'll let the montage commence. Hey mate. And I'll see you a bit further down the road. Right, the first thing we need to get, like the little orange demons poked its head out of the dashboard there. So we'll go find some fuel. That's the first thing we need to do. Yeah, so as you can tell, the September show, from the title, is on every September. The first day started out with, which is today, sorry, the first day today, it started out with an auto jumble, but sadly I've been on the night shifts again, so there was no way in hell I was dragging my arse out of bed this morning to go to an auto jumble. But then there's a stunt show between 12 and 5, I do believe, and there's a live band on. So that's today, and then tomorrow I think there's a classic car show on. And other sorts of entertainment. I don't know exactly what's on tomorrow, but I shall find out for you. I know there's a classic car show, that's it, but I don't know what else. But we seriously need some fuel. Right, and here we go. Right, full of fuel and on his way. I think one of my airflow pipes to the tank is blocked, because my bike seems to run better after I've opened the petrol cap. Meaning one of the vents is blocked. Whee! There's some bikies behind me, I think. Oh, a big bikie. Oh, he sounds big. Don't be intimidated, Matthew. Come on now, big white van, man. Let's see how we get in. Oh wow, there's a lot of bikies, a lot of bikies. A lot of bikies. Wow. Hell of a lot of bikies. See, the stage is set up for the stunt show. Right, I'll get my shit together, guys. Show you around.
Managing all sorts of different types of motorcycle events. Has won the British Championship, has done the European and has done the World Championships. But now he's a full-time stunt rider who's travels all over the place with the stunts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, he's done it! 1, go!
He's waiting for. Can't see anything because of your stomach, pal. There we go. And we're off. Well, the weather held out, but the clouds are coming in. But that was a brilliant little show for the kids. I picked myself up a patch for the to support the veterans. And what I'll do is I'll try and come back tomorrow for a classic car show. Yeah, that was a good little show for the kids. And later on, there will be a band playing. There's still a little bit of auto jumble left. I did catch that. Bought myself a patch just to go on my cut, and a couple of badges. But yeah, good little day that. I'm gonna hope, oh well, there's a car show tomorrow. I'm hoping to come back tomorrow if the weather holds out. And if I did, then the footage will be in with this video. But thank you for coming down with me. I just thought I'd take it out to Squires, show you the kinds of things that they do. If you want to come to events like that, then keep an eye on their website. They post regularly, so events like that do come up all the time. But yeah, this is Wakey Two Wheels signing off for the day. Thank you once again for joining me. Thank you for supporting my channel. I hope you all ride safe. And I'll see you all out there. Bye for now.